So when you want to send a drawing with NoteIt, before you could only use like some
the MailChimp Customer Journey Builder has
basic
helped
drawing
businesses
tools.
achieve 4 times more.
Also ads.
It helps businesses automate.
So let me show you. So I want to draw something, and yeah, something like that. But I want some more advanced drawing tools. And now finally you can unlock premium drawing tools, but of course you need to pay. So it's part of a premium NoteIt package. So you can unlock all advanced drawing tools, link as many friends as you want, unlock all picture filter effects, edit text, color fonts on picture, remove ads, and all of that. So monthly $4.99, yearly premium $14.99. So you can do that, and then you will have just more drawing features. So that can be nice. A lot of people were asking it. It was one of the most requested features in the app reviews. Like people were asking, I want like some labs tool, or I want to be able to draw circles or squares, and to just have much more advanced drawing features. So yeah, now you can do that. Just you need to upgrade. So in case you were asking if there is some like better version besides this like very basic like drawing tool set, which is available in like Apple standard Notes app. So yeah, you can access that, but it's available in a paid account. But if you like this app a lot, if you're using it with your partner, that can be a really nice app. So there you have it.